Flow rate stabilized at 50,000 gallons per hour.
Consistency check confirmed. pH levels are optimal. An automated sampling unit draws the golden brown pressed apple juice for precise measurement of natural yeast and bacteria. In the massive fermentation hall, towering stainless steel vats hold the golden brown pressed apple juice.
Rigorous quality checks are applied. The automated system verifies the sealing mechanism, confirmed wire.
Following strict material flow control, the valve separates the batch. Process A for filtration, process B for traditional methods.
A batch of golden brown apple juice is fermented in highly polished stainless steel vats.
The highly active yeast suspension is precisely injected into the massive fermentation.
Pressure holding steady. Brix is down to 7.9. Ethanol's rising nicely. Phase 1 complete.
The vats are undergoing acetous fermentation. Gentle aeration slowly transforms the liquid into a rich air. The inoculation process utilizes large, traditional stirring paddles operated by a worker to ensure.
The Process B production zone is displayed, showing the large, aged fermentation vats situated in.
The process of vinegar, now confirmed at 5% acidity, enters a series of massive temperature-controlled maturation.
Highly sensitive robotic sensors measure trace compounds, generating a flavor profile map to confirm the desired smooth and balanced taste.
The aging is of a vast span.
After achieving the target flavor maturity, the Process A vinegar is carefully pumped from the aging tanks towards the stabilization and pasteurization unit.
Immediately after pasteurization, the Process A vinegar enters a cooling stage, rapidly dropping the temperature back.
The stabilized vinegar enters the first stage of filtration through coarse pads, removing suspended solids.
The stabilized bright amber vinegar is routed through high-pressure stages, progressively removing the remnants of the mother of vinegar.
The sealed cases move rapidly through the automated taper before the inkjet printer applies crucial shipping data.
The process B vinegar is pumped from the large, aged, wooden-clad steel tanks towards a minimal processing unit located. A continuous stream of empty 32-ounce dark brown glass bottles moves along a slower conveyor belt. The high-speed camera inspects the bottles for label placement and required turbidity.
The sealed trays of raw, unfiltered ACV move along a dedicated conveyor towards the process.
Culmination of a precise industrial process, bringing high-quality, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar directly to your table.
Shake the bottle well to ensure the mother is evenly dispersed before pouring. This is what differentiates our raw, unfiltered ACV.
All right, that comes to $9.49. Will that be all?
Yes, thank you.
The information confirms the 5% acidity
and the presence of the mother, reinforcing the commitment to a consistent formulation.
By running Process A and Process B simultaneously, we ensure both filtered and raw unfiltered.
The attention to detail in the packaging reflects the meticulous industrial process, ensuring the raw,